Welcome to our van life with our three chihuahuas, episode 71. Our van is fixed finally. Now it's time to head back from Utah to Canada. Fingers crossed that nothing else breaks down. Stay tuned for more and thank you for
Pia,
watching.
what's the update?
We got here at our Airbnb at
2 a.m.
And we must have slept only a couple of hours because Chewbacca started having a hard time breathing, so now she's at the emergency bed.
Yeah. So Chewbacca's getting a cardiology consult and an echocardiogram.
It's progressing, so she has the same condition as Jabba did.
So it's kind of a crazy, almost coincidence, or Yoda and Jabba looking out for us, that we're in Salt Lake City. We're getting our van fixed at the one place on the West Coast that can actually fix it. Same day, potentially, crossing fingers. And then we took Chewbacca to MedVet, which is also in California. But the pricing here on getting a echocardiogram and a heart check is like a fraction, $700 plus a x-ray fee and a doctor visit, which in California you'd have to wait like 3 to 4 months, and it'd be about 4 to 5 times that cost because we did that for Chewbacca. So at least we're gonna get it done. But this is our Airbnb. We're in South Salt Lake City. This was advertised as the backyard. It's a front yard, but a little rocky for the Chihuahua feetsies, but good enough. Very nice inside. And we'll be having some food soon. We have not eaten yet today, so we're on a bit of a fast. What's that? What's that, Boba? It's a secret garden. Leaving Utah and back in Idaho, heading to Oregon, Washington, and Canada. This is Lake Bonneville rest stop. And Chewbacca.
So Google told us to go on this road after we stopped for food, and it said that there was road closures. So we're off-roading, and here's the freeway on our side. It does not look like there is anything going on with the road closures there. It does look like it's single lane traffic each way, but this seems to be more preferable than going on this road.
3.5 miles on it. Good old Google.
3.5 miles of this. What's up with that, Google? Well, we're finally on pavement with the freeway still next to us, going faster than us.
Let's see if I can This is our second BLM campsite. We made it. This is just north of La Grande. There's one van lifer down there, but this is called like Spring Creek in the La Grande National Forest. We are here just on our way back north. It is... Oh, bail. Thankfully, the smoke has gone away. Air quality is back in the green in this area. We are just slightly off of Highway 84, which goes all the way from Salt Lake City up to Portland, Oregon. So it's a really nice kind of straight shot for most of the way. A little dips here and there, but pretty nice drive. So Miss Bale is having a lot of fun camping. She loves it so far. And we are definitely enjoying being able to breathe better. So I gotta get a little work done. We had a pretty big lunch of Panda Express, so not super hungry, but we're going to have probably a little bite to eat, get settled in, and probably fly the drone a little bit in the morning to get a better look of how far back this road goes. So we're kind of at like the fourth or fifth spot that's a nice flat right by the road here. And there's a dirt road that goes back pretty far. So we're gonna hand out, set up camp, and be back on the road in the morning on our way north up to Canada finally. Slight interruption to get Chewbacca situated with her heart issues and get our van Volta fixed. We'll have another little debrief on that here pretty soon for you, because it was quite an experience, but we got it all fixed in one day. Oh, you tired, girl? So we'll probably shut this night down. This is Wednesday, day 5 of this trip, and we're finally getting back into it. So this is going to be hopefully the beginning of another adventure as we head north, finally back to Canada. Work on vacation. Work on vacation. Free camping at its finest out in the forest in Oregon.
So this is what happens every night. It's playtime, and I was just getting ready for bed, but these girls, BobaFett and Bail Organa, they're not yet ready to sleep since they've been kind of cooped up all day, traveling from Utah to Oregon. So this is how they play. And I got Chewbacca right here next to me while these two girls are playing. Boba just bumped her head. Are you okay, Bo? Okay, sweetheart? And then when they get tired, they chew on their bully stick. But most of the time, they prefer to be sharing the bully stick together. So I have to hold it for them. And I think they finally got tired. You want your ball? Do you want your ball? Can I give you your ball? Both of you get balls?
Ooh, it is cool this morning. Oh boy.
Good morning, everybody. We are heading up to Canada, and this is what mornings are like in the van now. Boba and Bail are playing again, constantly playing, and it's a good way for them to burn off some energy. We've been up for a while, but just went back to bed because the dogs needed to sleep in a little bit more because it's super cold outside. But we're gonna get up and go in and start our day, start driving, and we're hoping to be in Canada after probably 8 to 9 hours of driving. We do frequent stops because Chewbacca over here is now on a ton of heart medications since she's got progressive heart failure, and one of her medications is a water pill that requires her to empty her bladder a lot and drink water to help regulate her blood pressure and also keep fluids off her lungs. So right now, dogs are gonna go outside, do more potty, and then pack up the van and go. So hope you continue to watch and join us in our journey to go to Canada. We'll be ready for more adventure with these dogs.
Okay, Pia, so what do you think about this public lands camping spot?
I think this place worked really well. It was very quiet. Did get a little creepy at night, but that's only because I'm not used to parking in the woods.
Yeah, we had a couple faraway neighbors, but no more than 3, and nobody near enough that we couldn't feel pretty secluded and quiet. So I think it was quality, and we're getting out a little bit later than I hoped, but we are hitting the road now, and next destination is going to be in Canada. So we will check in along the way.